Pero hindi ko...
Oh my God. Burrata and tomato. Oh, and Wellington.
Right.
Fish and chips. Nothing different. Off the record na lang. Oh, wow. I think this is the best one. I think masarap. So, we were privileged to enter the kitchen. Gandang experience. And na-meet pa namin yung head chef. So, we're very honored to meet him. If you really want to experience it and you have the extra money, as I said, go ahead. Do it because it is fun. It is so much fun.
Oh, see, we're both... The girls are wet tonight.
Slow down, baby.
So we'll be going to Chris's place first, so we can go there together. Hello? Fit for today. We are on our way to Chris's. I hope she is ready when we get there. Antok ako. Antok ka rin? Yeah. So, we're currently talking about what to order. And of course, I'm a burger guy and I'm a pasta guy, so... To be blunt with everyone and to be honest, I don't really follow Gordon Ramsay's work. So I am not that sure about what he cooks, his dishes and whatnot. I just know that he is famous for his steaks. I'm just so sleepy to think about food, but of course that's food, so I'm still excited. Okay, so some of his food are so pricey. Sobrang mahal ng iba, as in sobrang mahal, like absurd. I mean, as a normal person, na hindi naman madalas nagaganon. Some of them are too pricey. But of course, we're gonna try. Of course, he is a world-renowned chef, so I'm not complaining and I know what I'm getting into. Pero, ayun nga. For an average person, this is a luxury, this is a privilege. So, ayun. And I'm grateful for this privilege. So, what are you looking forward to?
Huh?
Ano nila-look forward mo na food or anything? Gusto mo ba siya ma-meet?
Sakto lang kung andun.
Fan ka ba ni Gordon Ramsay?
Hindi. Joke. Pwede na, oo. Siyempre, ano siya, renowned chef.
Of course, it is an experience and ayun nga, world-renowned chef talaga siya. Known around the world, tapos talagang sikat siya sa pagiging frank and very brutal pagdating sa food. Lalo na sa, ayun, sa mga online, mga food online. Kasi nga, ayun, very, very meticulous siya pagdating sa food. So, ayun, medyo nakaka-excite lang how his food will be welcomed by our taste buds. Currently looking for coffee because inaantok nga kami. Lakad-lakad na kami while waiting for Chris. So we're currently waiting for Chris. I don't know if some of you guys will point it out, pero kasama ko na naman yung labubo ko. Pero it is what it is. I love it. Kaya huwag niyo nang pansinin. And wala naman kayong pake. Pagod ako kasi ang dami ng photos. Hindi siya masatisfy sa mga photos niya. Kanina pa kami nagpo-photo dito, so ang dami. Pag-vlog ko sana si Perry kasi ayaw niya pa ng camera. Oo. So wag niyo.
Ano? Ilaw.
Ha? Oh, okay na yan, Mars.
Gusto mo yung ilaw ang pangit.
Sobrang cute kasi. Kamba. Oh, sige. Oh, yan. Dinidirect na naman niya ako. Okay ka.
And naka-FX po kami. FX po kami papuntang Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, ayan. Nagkatay kami ni Perry. Sweet yan eh. So, yan sa mga pinaka-sweet si Perry. Binigyan ako niya ng 6 na Pop Mart.
Oo nga, no?
Oo, ang dami man. Hanap kami ng parking now. Parang wala.
Uwi na tayo.
Uy na, sige.
Bye-bye.
Ayun, may aalis to. Yan, nakababa na kami now and pasok namin sa loob ng mall, of course. I'm excited to eat. Ang cute!
Panikira. Maldita.
Camera, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hello! Maldita daw, maldita. Oh my God, ang cute! O, tinapakan ko raw yung sapatos ni na Fendi. I'm so sorry, ha? Oh my God! Sana all more. Maraming... Ay, we're about to go inside. So, patayin ko muna to.
Ginagawa niya akong videographer.
Ay, ganun talaga, Mars.
Ganun pala.
Very choy.
Oo, tulad pa kami ng camera niya. Kaya nga eh. O, ayan. Yes.
Unang i-shots mo.
Nakanan
O, okay lang.
Kuhaan.
Okay na. Wait, gitna natin. Isa pa. Hello, so we're currently in Gordon Ramsay's Bar and Grill and I'm so excited to try their food and we're gonna see if it is worth its price because it is Gordon Ramsay after all. Okay, so good lighting here. So, video muna tayo for a while. Of course, part of the experience is vlogging the inside of the powder room. Part of the experience. So the vibe of the place is very casual because this is a bar and grill. Everything is very nice. All of the people are talking and the vibe is just very chill and very warm. Bar and Grill Burger, siya. Bar and Grill Burger.
Crispy crab.
Okay. Medyo... Hello guys, so what we ordered for the appetizer is the crispy crab cake and caviar. And then for the mains, we ordered of course as a burger person yung bar and grill burger. And of course, we have to try the Gordon Signature Beef Wellington and I'm so excited to try that. Kanina wala akong energy kasi naantok na ako, but now seeing the menu, I am so excited to try. I'll see you guys when the food arrives.
kilo, nasa 2,000 per kilo. Magkano yung gusto yung Australia?
Taste daw.
Mas nila kita active. 8 years old. Basta may playing adult na mag-main course na mag-ano, means. How about you, sir?
Pero hindi ko...
Oh my God.
Ano mo nga ulit? Confirm mo nga naka-20.
Picture lang?
Okay, we will try the crispy crab with caviar. Moment of truth. Can definitely smell and taste the crab. Yun kagad yung sasalubong sa yung crab. Caviar. Wow. It's good. Then the poached egg. Para habang meron pa sa loob yung crab, poached egg tayo. One more. Tignan natin kung hype lang ba yun. Yeah.
Tabang mo.
Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Burrata is made of
Fresh mozzarella.
fresh mozzarella.
May cream sa loob.
Oh, okay. Kamusta? Burrata and tomato. Yeah. Of course. Tomato, yung complement ng mozzarella. Siyempre yung mains natin, yung abangan natin. Yung steak, yung Wellington. Tapos, siyempre yung burger. Ano ba yung sinasabi niyo?
Ay, wala naman. Oh, it's so good, you know.
Kayang-kayang
Pero
gawin?
kasi madadala ko dun sa may caviar eh.
Yes.
Alin yung kayang-kayang gawin?
Yung crispy crab,
Crispy crab kaya pinusuin sa bahay.
okay lang, okay lang yan sa amin.
Abangan niyo. Thank you. Here we go, our burger. My most awaited.
Ano yung perfect? Pero sa Singapore.
Oh, and Wellington. Yes, thank you so much. Very savory. Ang sarap ng sauce niya. Mahilig ako sa meat, so I should try. Potato.
Sorry, mashed potato. No order. Sorry, mashed potato.
Let's try the steak with the fries. Of course.
So, yeah, happy birthday, sir.
Happy
So,
birthday
this one is
daw.
from Gordon Ramsay.
Wow! Happy birthday, Perry!
So, this one was sparkling wine for Colombo. Yeah.
Try natin guys yung fish and chips. Kahit konting-konti lang kasi busog na ako.
Oh, no. No, no.
Yung maliit lang. Fish and chips. Nothing different. Off the record na lang. Charot.
Sitting in front of you.
Grabe.
And dessert.
This one is made up of cocktails with the bottle. Then we have this caramelized bread.
Wow! Wow! I love it! I think ito yung pinakamasarap. Oh, wow! I think this is the best one. Ito yung pinakamasarap. Oh my God! Ang sarap! Di ba? Oh my! I'm in love! Ang sarap! Guys, I swear, ang sarap.
Ikaw hindi.
Apo. We're gonna go inside the kitchen, guys. So, I'm so excited. Ay, ganun.
Uy, ang ganda.
Ayan, kaming dalawa yung nag-vlog now.
Pwede kami pumasok? Oo, go.
Okay lang po? Yeah, we're going inside dahil sa Frenny. Oh, ang interesting sa loob ng kitchen. Thank you. Hi! Guys, we're taking a photo.
Wellington!
Ayan guys, here is the kitchen. Ayan, busy kitchen. Thankful for these hardworking people. So we were privileged to enter the kitchen. Gandang experience, and na-meet pa namin yung head chef. So, very honored to meet him. Alam kong maraming maghahanap kay Gordon Ramsay. But of course, wala na siya dito. Hindi namin siya inabutan. Ang alam ko yesterday, he already flew to Thailand, I think. I'm not really sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that he flew to Thailand already to check his resto there. Hi, love. Ayun, so a great experience. Again, overall thoughts later. Ano po magkayo sa vlog? Hello, yan yung friend ni Chris. High school friend niya. Hello, galing na chef yan. Ay, ganda wala.
Pag nahulog mo yun mo, explain.
Thank you po, chef.
Ano masasabi mo?
So grateful for the experience.
Para di ka masuka.
Ay, naksawan.
How's the experience?
So far, so great. Sobrang gagom. Message ko kay Chef Gordon. I'll see you soon.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Keep it up, Chef. I think you have a... Huy! Huy, ano yun? Walang ganyan. O, ayan guys. Guess the bill. Ayan ang bill namin. Dito. Thank you po sa pag-serve, Thank you for serving us po. Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me, Mars, sa pag-vlog. Napaka-sweet mo.
Perfect.
The videographer.
Mars, ikaw.
Bye, Mars! Nag-enjoy ako!
Ako din sobra. So yeah, yun na nga, pauwi na kami. After taking so many photos, we're on our way home. Sabi nga ni Lian na food coma kami. Kasi super daming nakain and super mabigat sa tiyan. Editing his photos while waiting for the ride. So hello guys, we are already home. Pahinga na muna kami. Baby, hi ka muna sa vlog. Bye-bye ka ikaw. Bye-bye. Bye baby. Bye-bye ikaw. Ay, bye-bye ikaw. Hello. Ay, galit ikaw. Opo. Bye-bye, baby. Ay, sarap naman. Ay, ang sweet naman ng baby ko. Bye-bye. Bye-bye din ikaw. Bye-bye ikaw. Bye-bye po. Say mo bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ikaw. Bye-bye. Hello guys, we are already home, and before I take a rest, I just wanna say my overall thoughts about my experience in Gordon Ramsay's Bar and Grill. We are talking about just the experience and the thought of eating food by the world-renowned Gordon Ramsay. Of course, all is well. The food was good. I enjoyed some of it. Yeah, if you are a big fan of Gordon Ramsay, go ahead and do it. If you love to try a restaurant, a Michelin star resto, go ahead and do it. If you have enough money, if you have the extra buck, go ahead and do it, because the experience of eating something and maybe you saying that you ate in a place by Gordon Ramsay, then it is worth it. Go ahead and do it. However, if you are in a tight budget right now, if you don't have the extra budget, if you are not a fan of Gordon Ramsay and you are not interested in eating something expensive, a Michelin star resto, then maybe you can just save your money or eat somewhere else where you can eat good food and experience food that are much cheaper but also is equally good. Then go ahead and do that, because the food are just really pricey, and of course there is a target market or target demographic of this restaurant. Those are the people who are interested in the food by Gordon Ramsay, who are a fan of him. However, yeah, if you don't have the extra money, just don't go, because everything is just so pricey compared to the usual things that we spend on, compared to the usual food that we eat. Everything is much more expensive than that. However, I really respect everyone there. I enjoy the experience, and I can now say that I ate food by Gordon Ramsay. Please do not twist my words. Everyone can enjoy this. But for me personally, if you don't have enough money, please don't do it. For example, the burger that I ate was good, was very good. However, I also tasted the same burgers in other restaurants, in other food places that tasted the same but are much cheaper, because my food was around 1,200 Philippine pesos. And I think that I can get something, a burger, that around 500 Philippine pesos. And also the steak was good. However, I think that I enjoy the steak prepared by my boyfriend more. So yeah, it is just based on your personal preference. If you really want to experience it and you have the extra money, as I said, go ahead, do it, because it is fun. It is so much fun. Of course, it is also so fun to say that you tried something by Gordon. So yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do this again, maybe with some friends, but maybe not. Let's see. And yeah, now I'm gonna go take a rest and prepare to sleep. Or maybe not. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Deuces!